supported the marine research over here in KAUST. We actually gave a solution to them. We are monitoring their seawater intake. So there is experiments which are happening wherein it's required for them to actually monitor the real life sea conditions. So the water is pumped from deep sea and brought into their lab. So the complete pumping station is monitored. So what all we are monitoring? We're monitoring dissolved oxygen, salinity, how exactly the pumps are functioning. And on top of it, there is a layer which is actually defined based on different experimental individuals of the threshold what they want. So you as an somebody who's doing a research or a scientist, you want conditions to be as based on your condition, as in the experiment. So your criteria can be different from the other criteria. So Nexus gives you this adaptability that you can define the thresholds based on your own use case. It's not out of the box threshold.
True.
So you can have multiple
Like
users.
it's not the benchmark from outside. It's based on your
It's your own
data.
benchmark.
True.
You can define benchmark, and then there is a layer. What you can do, you can say, I want the alerting system based on my benchmarking, but at the same time, you can define logic.